Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So we just ate some lunch. We had some more of your authentic ramen, kinda, with some veggie spring rolls from Costco that were really good. But yeah, we're going on a hike today. We're gonna go hike Lower Bells Canyon via Larry's Trail. It's a long name for a hike, but whatever. But I figured I'd take y'all along with us and see just what all we see on the hike. We're gonna hopefully see the reservoir and see a bunch of snow, ideally. It's outside real quick. It's kind of snowing a little bit, so we'll see how this goes. We're gonna layer up and call it a day. So just came upstairs to get our, you can see our Christmas tree still up because I don't have storage box for it yet. Oops. Oh well. But yeah, just came upstairs to fill up our hydration packs, and we may or may not be shoveling this walks before we go. I don't know. I kind of don't want to, if I'm being honest. Kind of just want to do when we get back, but we'll find out. So yeah, let's get these filled. Okay, got these all filled up and ready to go. Yeah, just need to figure out where to shovel and snow before we go. And I obviously need to put on a few more layers. And yeah, I think other than that, we're good to go. So let's go figure out what we're doing. Why, hello there, little one. To finish salting and everything, and yeah, we'll head out. So I'll give you a few more details when we get there, but this hike is at the base of Lower Cottonwood Canyon. It's about 2.5 miles long. I want to say like 500 feet of elevation. So my Fitbit unfortunately died, so can't use that to check the accuracy of all trails, but we'll see what it says. So yeah, we'll see when you get there. So we've just arrived at the I think this is technically the Larry's trailhead. Unsure on that, TBD. But basically we're doing the, what is it, Lower Bells Canyon Reservoir loop hike via Larry's Trail. So, let's go check this bad boy out. Greatest snow on earth, folks.
And then it just shatters on impact. It's good.
I missed that, but...
Oh, sorry.
Oh, whale. Oh, I'm moving the camera. It's really bright. Let me put on my sunglasses. Alright. So yeah, as you can see, we are highly enjoying ourselves so far on this hike. It's a great hike. There have been a surprising number of people for time of year, quite honestly. You can see... Well, I can see. I don't think you guys can see. Like 4 people going up, 3-ish people coming down over that way. Alright, I remembered what I was going to say. It seems like most of the elevation gain is right here at the beginning of the hike with the switchbacks. And that's what one of the reviews I was reading on All Trails said as well. By the way, I'll leave a link to All Trails down below. Great app to use whether you use the free version or the premium version. Not sponsored or anything. I pay for the premium version and highly enjoy it, so. But yeah, most of the elevation gain is right here at the beginning, but it's not too bad at all. So we'll see when we get to the top. Up here, what we find. We have arrived at the reservoir. Looks to be pretty frozen. Let's go hike around and see what we see.
We're running out of daylight to hike around.
Yeah.
Here's some unfrozen.
Yeah. Oh god. I'm falling. It's alright. So, There's a little bit of unfrozen reservoir. I keep wanting to call it lake. I mean, kind of applies, but reservoir and lakes are two different things, so. I can't get over how pretty this is. What?
Lakes occur naturally and people built reservoirs. Is that what the distinction is?
I'm pretty sure that's the distinction. It's been a while since I've been in a science class. Can't get over how pretty it is.
We'll have to come in.
This hike is so pretty. I said it a couple times in the last clip, but I just can't get over how pretty this is. I definitely want to come back. We're running out of daylight. We're not going to be able to make it all the way around the reservoir, so we're going to have to kind of head back kind of soon, but we're going to have to come back and give this one a try sometime soon, because it's a pretty easy hike. 90% of the elevation is at the beginning with the switchbacks, and then there's a little bit more a little bit later on, but it's not bad at all. I'd say like what, 50, 100 feet for that little part that was right there that we just went up. Not bad at all. So I'll include,
Probably gained like 300.
I would say, yeah, with what we did, we gained about like 300-400 feet. So I'll check all trails. I'll see what it says. We'll talk about stats at the end, I guess. I don't know when I'm talking about that. We'll figure that part out. But yeah, we got some micro spikes for Christmas, and that was the whole point behind doing this hike. And we didn't put them on at the beginning, but we're gonna put them on now and give them a try for the way down. So let's do this. Right, make sure I'm blocking the sun so I'm not blinding you guys. Micro spikes are on. Was a little bit of a struggle to get them on, as you'll see, but now that we got it figured out, they are real nice. So I think we're gonna head back down so we can make sure we have enough daylight and get back in time to go to dinner with my mom to celebrate my birthday, which we'll see in next week's vlog. So let's head back down. So after putting the micro spikes on, 10 out of 10 would recommend. They're definitely a must when it comes to winter hiking. I don't feel like I had traction issues coming up, with the exception of a couple of spots where I slipped, but it's fine, I always slip. But putting these on, I definitely feel like I don't have any traction issues anymore, so it's great. Somebody drew a little heart in the snow and put some, I don't know, marks with their trekking poles. And there's our contribution. It is 4:36, so it took us just over an hour. Let me pull things up on all trails. Oh, give me
a
just
good
a sec.
portion of that was waiting and cooling down so we weren't getting too sweaty.
Yeah, very true.
I wasn't getting too sweaty more accurately.
Yep. I hope we're in frame. I can't see it.
I work up a sweat a lot easier.
Yeah. So we allegedly did 2.7 miles and gained 522 feet of elevation.
522, huh?
Yep. And we were moving for 57 minutes, we'll say. So, yeah, not bad of a hike at all. Like I said, we put on our micro spikes there at the end, but you didn't need them if you don't have them. So this is a really good hike to do if you just want to get out and do some hiking, even though it's in the winter time. It's just, yeah, it was a great hike to get out and do.
Right after it snows, you may want snowshoes or spikes, because we had the benefit of the trail was really packed.
Yeah, that was
if you were the first person or the second person through, it's not packed, it's loose.
Yeah.
If there's a lot of snow especially, you may want snowshoes or...
Yeah, it snowed this morning, but it seemed like enough people had gone through. This was a really highly traveled hike. I was surprised for time of year and everything, but all trails said it was highly traveled, so I can't say I'm surprised, but there was more that I was going to say about the hike, but I don't remember exactly what. I'll include like the stats up on the screen as far as like what All Trail says is for like the length of the hike and elevation and everything like that. So y'all have that information.
We're right by all the resorts here in the Salt Lake Valley, and it's end of the day, so a lot of the skiers and boarders are coming down off the mountain right now.
Oh yeah. I think that's Lakota right there. Unsure on that. Really fancy overpriced restaurant, but it's really good though.
I think it's like the only restaurant in Salt Lake that has a Michelin star, right?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
And I think even they only have one.
Yep. But yeah, that's a good one. So, if you want to spend a lot of money to go get some really good French food, there you go. But, yeah. I think I'm gonna end it here. I don't remember what else I was gonna say about the hike. So yeah, oh, you're falling. So yeah, we're just gonna end it here. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. We will see you next Wednesday. What was it you said for my outro?
Something corny, like you could be anywhere, but you decided to be here with me.
It was something corny, but I really liked it. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week.